a lower price, which is a great feature. It's $449, and that gets you 128 gigabytes of storage and 6 gigabytes of RAM. Last year's model started at $499. So that puts it just a little bit lower than the price on the iPhone SE, which is maybe not a coincidence. Faster refresh rate screen is one of those things you don't know that you're going to love until you see it. It just means that everything looks that much smoother. 60 hertz is the standard refresh rate we're all used to, but 90 and 120 hertz, things will look smoother when you're just scrolling through menus using the phone. Guessing the new processor they're using is enabling some more sophisticated image processing. So they're saying night mode is improved. It's now taking 12 frames at once and turning that into one kind of brighter, less noisy image.